This large 4-bedroom family home is sitting on a huge 916 square metres of land. It's in a beautiful quiet street close to parks and shops.
Plus there's plenty of room to build a granny flat for family or an investment, and if you're a car enthusiast or you've got plenty of toys to store, this is perfect for you.
Welcome to 18 Renfrew Street, Guildford. If you would like to know more information about this property opportunity, or you'd like to book an inspection,
Contact the team at Star Partners Maryland's Pemble Way and Wentworthville.